Hi everyone, I'm Luna Matadas and I'm a sex and pleasure educator based in Toronto, Canada. I'm teaching 3 workshops this weekend at Secret Pleasures Boutique in Washington, D.C. And one of those workshops on March 2nd is Dirty Talk. So Dirty Talk is really hot, right? But a lot of times we don't have the confidence because we're not sure what to say, when do we say it, how do we say it, how fast or quiet or loud do we say it, how do we know what our partners are into? Maybe they like one kind of dirty talk and you like another kind of dirty talk. So dirty talk is definitely a skill. It is not something that just some people are better at than other people. You can also learn to get better at the kind of dirty talk that turns you on and turns your partners on. So join me at the Dirty Talk workshop. So we'll talk about all the different kinds of dirty talk. We'll talk about exercises to practice gaining confidence. And we'll also talk about how do you read someone that maybe isn't as articulate about the types of things that they're into. And you're kind of playing a little bit of a guessing game. So we'll get some intuition skill building. And I'll tell you one of my favorite phrases in the workshop on practicing dirty talk and making it sound sexy. You can make anything sound sexy. So come to the workshop on March 2nd at Secret Pleasures Boutique and you will walk away with a filthier mouth than you came in. I'm Luna Matadas and I hope to meet you this weekend. I'm only in Washington for the weekend, so hopefully you can join the workshop at Secret Pleasures Boutique.